What is going on, everybody? We are going over Market Chameleon as every weekend. I'll start this tradition. I'm gonna give you 1 or 2 trades for the week, sell options for income, and I'm gonna go over the dividend strategy to see what we have. And one of the users in the comment asked me to go over the earnings, so I will touch on that. Super complicated, but I will touch on that as well. Without further ado, let's get started with Market Chameleon. For you guys that don't know Market Chameleon, there's a link in the description below. 7 days free trial. After that, you can pick your monthly membership. I'm a full member. $100 a month, $99 a month. Very happy. What they do, basically they find me trades so I don't have to. But that's not why. They find me the trade that I get the most income of that. I'm gonna show you a couple of examples, and I'll give you just an example right now. They are telling me, for example, go sell Apple 140 calls or something like that, and your income is like $100. But in reality, based on history, you should get paid like $50. Something like that. They're not gonna tell me that Apple will go to 140 above or below, but they're gonna tell me that this in specific strike, you have an edge as an option seller. You get paid 100 instead of 50, which is what you should have get today. There's an anomaly in the market, and you should take advantage of that if you want. That's all they do. They're not playing on prices. They're not playing on telling you up or down. They're just telling you what's going on, where is the best edge for you to make the most amount of income compared to what you should get. So let's start Market Chameleon. Again, link in the description, 7 days trial. Let's go over the earnings before I give you a couple of free trades for the week. So when you talk earnings, you think, hey, this stock might go up 10-20%. Let's buy some call options. What Market Chameleon is doing is completely opposite of that. They are using statistics, and they're very, very meticulous and very surgical way of digesting earnings, so you can make the money based on the history, not based on the price post earning. They usually give you a trades like a week or two before the earnings. They're telling you, hey, I don't know, Netflix is gonna go up 5% in the next 2 weeks pre-earning, because that's what they have done the last 6 years. So here's the strategy: sell this and you get paid $100 or something, and close this position 1 or 2 days before earnings. That's in a nutshell. Let me give you an example. I did a couple of filters in here for all the earnings in the next 5 days, 5 business days. Win rate of 90% and above, right here. Win rate 90% above. Next 5 business days. Average return above 20%. Medium above 10%. And basically, let's see what we did. And I changed this one to average return. I did from highest to lowest. So let's see if I find something that I know, like a stock that we know, so we can take a deeper look. True ARCC, don't know. HBI, I don't know them. Let's see someone that I know. BMI, I know. Gilad, I know. Zynga, I know. I saw something here, Ford and HD. Let's do HD for the example. So HD, Home Depot, okay? They are giving us a trade to do Iron Condor. Oh, hold on. Here we go. Iron Condor. And I'm gonna click on that so we can see exactly what the trade means. And this is what they're telling us to do. You need to sell like 2 weeks before earnings, and on the day of earning you need to close. What happened then? If you take this Iron Condor, you have a win rate of 92%, 34% average return, best return 73%, worst day was minus 40. Let me take the trade. Next earning is on the 23rd of February. So this is what so 15 days to earning. Amazing stuff. They're not telling me, hey, there's earning and this stock is gonna go to the moon. They're telling me there's earning in 2 weeks. This is the best strategy to produce income as of today. Day to next open. So you need to open this trade 5 days from now, and you close it 15 days from now on day of earning. Next open date, exactly what it says, February 8th, and next close date, February 23. So you open the trade, the iron condor, February 8th, you close it on February 23. Let's see exactly what you do. If I click here on Home Depot, yeah, see what we got as the iron condor. I'm going to the trade ideas. I'm looking for the iron condor, which is this one. Credit iron condor, top 3 by edge, credit iron condor. This is what they suggesting that you will do. And also do it here, credit iron condor, and just focus on this one. We got a 79% chance that this trade will work. They're giving us the trade. They're not telling us to close it at the expiration. The expiration is February 26th. So what are you doing? What is the trade? Let me go over this. You are selling. Let's see where Home Depot right now. Home Depot is at 270. Okay, Home Depot is at 270, and this is what we're doing. You're selling the 265 put, and you're buying the 245 put, and simultaneously you're selling the 280 call. You're selling the 280 call, and you're buying the 300 call. So at $20 spread, which is $2,000 in collateral in your account minus what you get paid. So you need 2,000 in your account minus 689. Let's say 7. You put a limit order for $700. That's the beauty of Market Chameleon. You get paid upfront $700. Okay, $700. Your max risk is 2,000 minus 700, $1,300, 1,300. That's your max loss if and only if by expiration Home Depot is below 245 or above 300. As long as it's trading, your max profit is between 265 and 280. Okay, right now is at 265, 270. So if it goes down to 265 all the way to 280, then that's basically it's not the trade today. You need to wait 5 days from now and then take the trade. And every day I get to my inbox an email of the best earning trades for the day. Your max loss again below 245, above 300. If you click here on the report, you get paid again $700. You sell the 265, you buy the 245, you sell the 280 calls, you buy the 300 calls. February 26th, and here's the payout diagram. If you click, we are right here. You're collecting $700 up front. And as long as Home Depot is above 265 and below 280, you keep $700. That's all. And if it goes your worst thing, if you can lose the maximum $1,300 if it goes above 300 or below 245. That's basically what you're risking. Okay, but this is Market Chameleon. You collect $700 up front instead of this one, $450. And this is why I love them, and this is why I'm paying them $100 a month, $99 a month to be a paid member. I get to keep $700. I get that up front. Sure, if I'm not holding this by expiration, I probably won't. If it goes from 700 to I don't know 200, I collect 500 spread or something in the next 2-3 weeks, I will close this trade. That's it. But in theory, I should have collected only $450, $457. So that's my edge. That I get extra $250 as income. I hope you understand this example. There's tons of other examples for earnings. I hope this helped for the guy that want me to talk about earnings. As I said before, they're not giving you, hey, this stock is gonna go to the moon. They're just telling you this stock has a 92% chance of win. If you take this trade 5 days from now, you open on this date, you close on that date, and based on history, you should make about 92% in profit from whatever income that you collected. So let's say I close it for, I don't know, $600 2-3 weeks from now, something like that. That's basically what they're telling me. And I needed to have in my account about $1,300 in order to do this iron condor. If you don't know anything about iron condor, also in the description below I did a quick course, based 60 minutes trading iron condor and short strangles and credit spread for income using Market Chameleon, so you can check it out. It's about $10-13 or something on Udemy. not a big deal, but feel free to learn about 1 hour how to sell options for income. Let's give you some trades for the week. So for the trade of the week, guys, I like Apple. Okay, I'm in the home page. I'm in the home page right here, active option for Market Chameleon. I'm in Apple, and strategy top 3 by Greenlight right here. And something that caught my eye, first of all, Apple is at 132 after this crazy week. They're down like 10 points from like 140, 141. I'm doing this one, bull put spread, also known as credit spread. Okay, we got ourselves this one, February 12, 2 weeks from now. Sell the 121 put and buy the 118 put. Okay, what does that mean? Again, you sell the 121 put, you buy the 118 put. That's $300 collateral minus your income. So 300 minus this one, credit 0.38. Let's call it a limit order of 0.4, which is $40. $40 compared to this one. This is why Market Chameleon wins. You should have got some money for this trade, $12 only. Okay, that's the key here. That's the key for Market Chameleon. They're not telling me that Apple can go below 118 or 121. No, only saying that this specific trade, sell the 121, buy the 118 put. You get paid $40 today, but based on history, you should have got paid $12. So in $12, it's not really worth my while. But at $40, it's a lot worth my while. I got 95% chance to win this trade. And as long as Apple stays above 121, which they already went from 140 to 130, I get to keep the entire income. So what do I need? 300 minus 40, $260 in my account as a collateral. And for every $260 that I have, I get paid $40. So let's say I want to risk $1,000 on this trade. I sell 4 contracts and I get paid $160 for every $1,000 that I'm risking. 60%, 16% return in 2 weeks. While it is not GameStop or AMC, I would take 16% return in 2 weeks every day of the week, as long as Apple stays above 121. That's basically, if you click on the report and you click on the payout diagram, it's exactly where we are right here. We are collecting at 132. That's where we are collecting $40. If Apple goes up to 135, 140, 145, doesn't matter. Your max profit is already done, $40, and your max loss is right here below 118, and you're losing 260. If Apple goes below 118, you're losing 260, which is 8.6% from here. So you need Apple to stay, not go down. Look at this, another 8.6% in the next 2 weeks. Is it possible? Everything is possible, especially in this market. But you have 95% chance that they will not go down 8.6% in the next 2 weeks. And as I said, for every $1,000 that you risk, you collect $160. That's a pretty sweet deal in my opinion. Let's go over to the dividend of the week. So I'm in the dividend part of Market Chameleon for all the dividends for the next 7 days. You can scroll whatever that you want in here. I changed this one to common stock. I just want stocks, but you can do anything, preferred, closed-end, ETF, etc. Let's see what we got, something that caught my eye, and I just also switched it to by yield. So the highest yield we got, the first one was Delec USA, 19.4%, which is crazy. Quarterly dividend also change, you're getting extra 200% from the dividend before, but we missed that because the ex-dividend date was basically it's February 1st, meaning that we should have hold shares on Friday to get paid basically next week, Monday. Pay date is February 9th, so 10 days from now. But the ex date is February 1st, so you need to hold shares 1 day before, which was Friday. We missed that. 19% yield, pretty awesome. After that, you got Bank Baradesk, okay, 11.3% dividend. Gonna get 3.5 cents. That's not a lot, but it is a monthly dividend that you need to have shares on before February 2nd, which is Tuesday, so you need to hold shares on Monday. See if we got anything else in here. We got a lot. Equiters, Midstream, I like that. That's probably like a oil or MLP player. 9%. Look at this. 15 cents. You're getting paid 15 cents. It's a quarterly dividend. That's nice. You get a ex dividend is on the February 2nd, Tuesday. So you get a whole shares on Monday, and you get paid on February 12th. So let's click on this one, ETRN. You click on the paper here, and that's nice. I like small numbers. Small numbers makes me feel that I can buy a lot more and get paid a lot more dividends. So the price they close is 665. Equiturns midstream common, okay. 52-week range 375 to 11. Dividend yield, look at this, 9%. Have you ever heard about this stock? I've never. Volume is really picking up, 5.8 million compared to 5.1. People are using Market Chameleon, and they know that this stock is giving you 9% dividend, so they're buying more shares in the last trading day. Basically, energy, oil and gas. Next earning, I don't care about it. That's 3 weeks from. Next dividend, February 2nd, 15 cents. So if you do the math, for every, I don't know, let's say you buy 1,000 shares. 1,000 shares is 6,650, and you get paid, how much is that? 15 cents. So 1, 2, 3, 150 bucks. You get paid 150 bucks for every 1,000 shares that you hold. Pretty awesome, and you can sell it on X dividend date, or day after, week after, or year after. It's all up to you. But in order to get paid, you need to hold shares 1 day at least. The maximum is 1 day before X dividend date at 4 o'clock Eastern time when the market closes. But that's pretty awesome. 150 bucks for every 1,000 shares that you buy, and maybe the price will go up. We don't know what the price of the stock will do after the dividend. No, that's an anomaly that nobody knows the future. It can go up, and then you appreciate with the stock and you got paid the dividend. It could stay the same, which means you also made money because you got the dividend, and it could go down. And as long as it goes down less than the dividend that you get paid, you are basically making money. That's how I see it. Basically what I have for you guys, if you want to check Market Chameleon, this is not a financial advice nor a sponsored post. I'm a paid member. I use them every single day to find selling options for income trades. Check the description below. You get 7 days free trial. Everything is open for you. Feel free to find trades for yourself. You got Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Home Depot. If you click on active options, Apple, Tesla, SPY, QQQ, AMD, Nokia, GameStop, of course, Silver, of course, and AMC, of course. You got seasonality, well, whatever stocks that are going up in January are all here. Great trades, Walgreens, Netflix, what is this, Western Digital, Silver. Silver is going up in January, good to know, just based on seasonality, not even based on Wall Street bets. So tons of stuff to check. Feel free to check them out. 7 days trial. I hope this was valuable, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you very, very much. Yeah.